In CRM Dashboard, click on the Install button to install the VTiger setup. After that, you have to scroll down and agree the terms and conditions of VTiger CRM. Then here you have to review the PHP configuration and extension. Click on the Next button to proceed further. Click on the OK button to close the pop-up. Here you have to enter database details and admin details. Let me enter the details. Now enter the username for VTiger user. And now enter the password. I will use the same process for admin users, which will also be used to log in into the CRM software. Here you have to use the database. You have to enter the database name, that is VTiger. You have to use the same details which I have mentioned here. You will also get the same details in the welcome email as well, and then click on the Next button to proceed further.